Hey guys, today we will be creating this. So let's start by adding a text 3D node. You can see the preview on the left. So add the required details you want, name, font, etc. Then go to this transform and increase the Z translation to 0.51. This is because we will wrap it around the shape, so instead of text being inside the shape it will come outside. That's why we are increasing this to 0.51. Then add a duplicate 3D node and use the rotation, Y rotation to 90 degrees so that it forms a square, as you can see on the left. So give 4 copies and use the Y rotation to 90 degrees to get this shape. Then connect it to merge and add a shape 3D to it and adjust the size of the shape, like width, height, according to the text you have, so that it exactly fits it, the text fits in the shape. Then add a transform 3D to the merge so that you can rotate and animate it. So I use the Y rotation for this horizontal rotation. I went to 0 and keyframed it by selecting this diamond icon, then go to 30 frames and I used 60 degrees rotation. If you want, you can do it more or less based on how fast you want. Then once you do that, go to the spline, select the Y rotation, press Ctrl A, Ctrl F, then right click, set loop and select relative so that the rotation will keep on looping. Then close it. Then add a duplicate 3D after the transformation and give the number of copies you want as it fits in the screen. For me, I gave 10 copies so it fit my screen, and I used 0.4 Y offset and Y rotation. So this rotation is because we get a twisted effect. That's why I used this Y rotation for this duplicate, and 0.4 is because we have to put another cube inside in the middle of this, so that's the reason. Then add another duplicate 3D and distribute it horizontally so that it fills the screen. For me 3 are enough, and I used 1.5 as X offset and 3 copies, so it's perfectly aligned for my screen. Then connect it to merge and add a camera if you want to adjust the position or alignment from where you see. Then just copy all these nodes and paste it and connect this duplicate also to the merge. So the things you need to change in this second set is the color of the shape 3D. You can change it here. Then you need to adjust the rotation also. In the first transform we did 0 to 60, so we need to do the reverse, 60 to 0. So in this transform, go to 0 frame and enter the frame you entered, enter the number you entered in the first time at the frame 30. So it's 60 for me, so I entered 60. Then come to 30 frames and I used 15 here so that it's a bit slower, and you can see the difference. If you add exactly 0, then they both rotate at the same speed and you don't see the difference properly, so I reduced it to 15, and that's all. Those are the only changes you need to make. The remaining are same. Then connect it to render 3D, then add a merge if you want to add a background. So then connect this merge to media out, and that's all. You will get this effect. So that's all for this video. Hope it's useful. Thank you and see you in another video.